Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now let's slide to the left to get access to this panel, and here we have to tap to the right corner button at the bottom to open the advanced camera settings. Here at the first place we have picture size option, so let's tap on it, and now we can pick between the quality of the picture in megapixels connected with aspect ratio. We can slide down and change it to whatever we need. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible qualities, which is 13 megapixels to 4 and 3 and 10 megapixels to 16 and 9. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.